Good evening, VV Nation. This is Glenn, Senior Stock Market Strategist for VectorVest. Always glad to bring these videos to your attention. This is the first Monday in the month of October, so it's time for my top monthly picks. A lot of stuff going on in the world globally, so I've got a combination of stocks and ETFs and contra ETFs to hedge because a month is a long time. Outside of just doing my weekly picks, these are stocks designed for the whole month. There's a lot of stuff that can go on within 1 month's time, so we're going to put you in the best possible position to make money. Now, we're going to start off with the U.S. market because we're going to do this for the U.S. market and for the Canadian market. Looking at the market timing graph, we are at a solid level of support of $69.98. Let's just call it $70. Today we're at $70.06. So if the market breaks through to the downside, we've got another level of support sitting right here as well. This is where my contras are going to come into play. But I've got some long-term plays that I like that will take advantage of the current market's conditions with the things that are going on globally. And tonight I've got a little extra added oomph to it. I've got 5 stocks for my top monthly stocks, but I've got 3 that I want you to keep your eyes on as well. My top 5 monthly picks, though, are Palantir. Palantir is really kicking into gear. Uranium, a lot of great uranium news, which will bolster the uranium market. So I'm looking at URA, tensions in the Middle East, USO, looking at oil, and my 2 hedge plays will be the short for the NASDAQ and for Tesla. That's right. I don't think the robo-taxi is going to move the needle in the right direction. It's coming up in the next couple of days, though. We'll see how that works out, but I'm playing short on Tesla. My other stocks that I want you to keep your eyes on, the Chinese market is kicking and, man, just going. Yen, I want you to keep your eyes on that. Here's something that I found out in my live stream today. GE Vernova, which is a spinoff of GE for AI power, being able to make power for AI. GEV is a stock I want you guys to keep on your watch list. And of course, I'm with Ryan, the Utilities, XLU. That's my 3rd stock that I want you to keep your eyes on. But my top 5 picks are Palantir, URA for uranium, USO for oil, SQQQ for the NASDAQ, and TSLQ for looking at Tesla. Now, I don't have a portfolio. Don't know why I didn't create one. A portfolio for the monthly picks, but I do have a portfolio for the weekly picks. It's up 3%. Noticing out of the 5 stocks that I've got in place, 3 out of my 5 are making money, 2 are down, and the 2 that are down are not down by a lot. Overall, the portfolio is up over 3%, but it was as high one time as 30%. My own fault. I let it lapse and was doing so many other things. We could have been doing so much better, but we are still in the positive, and the stocks that I've picked on my weekly basis are making money. All right, so you got 3 extra stock picks for the U.S. market. Let's move over to the Canadian market. Looking at their graph, man, bottom left, top right, still above a 65-day moving average, but notice in the Canadian market, the market is starting to move a little bit sideways. Again, I'm going to give you 3 solid bullish picks, but 2 contra ETFs. Let's go to the viewers, and here they are. APM, MDA, DeFi are my 3 picks to the bullish side. Notice that all of those RTs are nicely above 1. These are stocks that are still on the rise, but my 2 picks for the bearish side are the NASDAQ bear and the natural gas bear. Interesting, but all of the stocks are up, even the contras today. But if I go to the portfolios, I do have a monthly picks for the Canadian market. Again, don't know why I didn't have it for the U.S. market. Look at that, 3.31%. 4 out of the 5 stocks are making money. Look at that. Now, I did add to this portfolio today. I did pick up 3 stocks because I was down 3 stocks in this portfolio. So 3 of the stocks from the monthly picks that I gave you, I put into the monthly portfolio. Nice little move, a little pullback, but right now up 3.4%. And the top weekly picks in the Canadian market are down a little bit, but I want to show you something. Look at the nice run up recently. I told you I was going to work on this Canadian portfolio. Look at on the weekly picks, look at the rise up, and look at the gains. Look at the gains on the stocks that we've gotten into. 2 of them are double digits, and the rest are making money. Make sure you tune in on normal Monday afternoons, because I give you my top 5 weekly picks for both the U.S. and Canada. But today is the first Monday in the month of October, so I wanted to give you my monthly picks. Folks, that's it in a nutshell. Make sure you tune in every Monday to get the picks. I always want to show you what's going on with them on the basis, just not that you just bought the stocks, but man, I love that the weekly picks are picking up in the Canadian market. I told you that I would work on it, and by the end of the year, I'm going to get this positive. I'm going to be as close as I can to get it positive, and then we'll start again next year. Folks, if you're brand new to the channel and you like what you saw here, make sure you consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting the bell icon so that you'll be alerted to when new videos like this come out every Monday. If you're a regular subscriber, if you like what you normally see, make sure you hit the like button. Let me know in the comments, have these stocks made you money? Let me know in the comments if these stocks, whether you're in the U.S. or the Canadian market, if they've made you money. Folks, this video is over. And until the next time, see ya.